Hi everyone, this is Rancher Banyon. We're right in the middle of calving season. We just had our second heifer calf of the year, and it's been busy the past 2 weeks now of calving. We have 11 calves total on the ground, counting this one, and she just got born probably 5-10 minutes ago.
Yeah.
And it's had a lot of rain, so the grass has just popped. We have all kinds of grass, and we're moving them as fast as the grass will grow, pretty much. And another calf for the record, and there'll be more coming. We'll probably have maybe five to six more calves. So, oh,
Our first stand.
yeah.
There she is. There we go, folks. You got to witness Thunder's baby stand up. First time. Probably about 5 to 10 minutes old. As her mommy cleans off. Oh my goodness. How beautiful is that, huh? How many calves do we have? Whoops. Gonna get our sea legs. How many calves do we have now?
11 total.
11?
9 boys and 2 girls now.
Well, lots of Y's thrown this year by our Willie the Bull, huh? Goodness my.
Little boys, but now we got girls coming.
Oh,
Hopefully.
yes. So this is a really very precious video of a newborn and her mommy cleaning her up. Goodness my. Oh, yes. Yes. And we need to watch and make sure we get good colostrum this after a few minutes, and get her sea legs.
Looking up after her.
Yeah, so this is the beauty of nature. Amazing. It's amazing how strong these little calves are when they come out.
Hop up, start nursing, that's what they do.
Yeah. So here we go. One more tried standing. Oh, yay! There she goes. Thunder, take it easy on your baby. Oh, here you go. Gotta get our sea legs. Oh. Well, stay tuned. We'll show some more videos of our new baby.
I'll see you next time.